Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Chavi Shastri, and today I'm here with a playlist of data science which covers various topics of data science using Python. In today's lecture, we will see basics of coding Python, using commands in Python, executing commands in Python, importing packages in Python, saving output in Python, and accessing records and variables in Python. So here is our presentation. So basics of coding and Python. What are commands in Python? Commands in Python are lines of code that are ignored by the Python interpreter. They are used to explain and document the code, make it easier for developers to understand and maintain. Commands do not affect the program's functionality or execution. So there are two types of commands, single line commands and multi-line commands. Single line commands begin with the hash symbol. Everything after hash on the same line is ignored by the interpreter. Example, hash, this is a single line command. We write single line command only in a single line. Multi-line commands use triple quotes to create multi-line commands, commonly used for documentation or longer explanation. So this is an example for multi-line command. So why we use commands? We use commands to explain code, help describe what the code does in simple terms, improve readability, makes the code easier to understand for others as well as for ourselves. Debugging help allow you to disable part of code temporarily without deleting them. Document intent, explain why specific logic or decisions were made. Team collaboration helps team members understand your code better when you are working with a team on a project or something. Maintenance makes it easier to update and maintain the code in future. Best practices for comments are we should keep our comments short and clear and easy to understand. Comments should focus on explaining the why intention rather than what the obvious code. Executing commands in Python. We can simply write the command text with the symbol hash for single line command and triple quotes for multi-line commands and run. On executing commands, we will not get any output because it is an unexecutable code and interpreter ignores it. What are packages? A package in Python is a collection of related modules organized into a directory hierarchy. Packages are used to organize and reuse code, making program modular and easier to manage. So how to import packages in Python? For importing packages in Python, we have to write import, which is a keyword, and followed by package name. This is a general import of a package. If we want some specific module to import from a package, so we simply write from package name import module name. We can also use aliases rather than the full name of package in the code, which is easier for convenience. So we can write alias uh, as alias. So this is an example of importing math module. Some of the popular packages are NumPy for numerical operation, Pandas for data manipulation, Matplotlib for data visualization. So saving output in Python. Why we save output? We save output for documentation and analysis purposes. So this is the code to save the output in Python. First, we write the command to print the output. Then we save the output file with those commands. We will see this in the practical implementation. So accessing records and variables in Python. What are variables? Variables are named storage for data. So example are x is equal to 10 here. X is a variable which holds the value 10, which is an integer, and name is equal to Python. Here name is a variable which holds value Python, which is a string. So accessing records in Python, we can access various records of data structure like dictionaries and lists. To access the values of dictionary, we have to write the key of the dictionary in the print and by specifying the dictionary name. Name will give us output alias, which is a value of key name. Accessing list, we can access the elements of list by using index of the element. Here fruits one will give us output banana. Index will start from 0, 1, 2. So this is all for this presentation. Now we will go to the practical implementation. So this is a example of command. As we can see that it is starting with hash symbol and written in a single line. So this is a single line command. This is example of multiple line command, multi-line command, which will written in a multiple lines. Here we are executing command in the print hello world is executing and it will give us hello world. It is example of importing packages in Python. Import numpy as np. Here np is alias. So this is a code with open output.txt wsf. Here output.txt is our file in which we are saving output hello world. This is a code for accessing records in Python. Accessing records of dictionary. We will first create the dictionary. So name is a name, age and city is keys of dictionary. Alias is a list which is a value of name, and we can access the elements of dictionary by specifying its key. So name will give us Alice, Bob and Charlie, which is the value of name. Here is we are accessing the elements of list by specifying the index. It will give our output just like that. So this is all for this video. Thank you.